Alright everyone, welcome back to Basic to Toys. Basic to Toys with a Z at the end. Today, I'm reviewing this Hess company toys ambulance with an ambulance mini inside. So like I did the cargo plane and jet cargo 11 days ago, I'm gonna do this Hess review again. It's not the same one. Something. See what's inside it? And there's a switch. So whenever you can use it as a flashlight. See? You can't really see the lights because it's daytime. So yeah, we're gonna talk about the lights. So I don't know if this one works, but you'll get used to it. See the wheels? Sword? Let's see. Yeah, so this one doesn't work. But that's alright, it's just a Hess toy. So, that's it for the review, and see you next time.